Good morning everyone, this is a short in the shop video, and what we're going to talk about is our tow vehicle. We had a few questions about the truck. Now in the past we've gone ahead and done a mod video of what we've done mods to the truck, and we'll kind of put it up here or over here somewhere after the video so that you can go see that. This is basically just an overview of what the truck is and a little bit more of how we've got it outfitted. So let's get to it. Okay, to start off, it's a 2009 Dodge Ram 3500 long bed truck. It's got the 6.7 Cummins in it, and we've done a little bit of work on the engine, and that's in that other video where we've put an extra oil filter on it and this sort of things. But it's basically a Dodge Cummins 6.7 in a 2009 3500 Dodge Ram. It's got about 146,000 miles on it now, so it's basically just getting broke in. So let's take a look around the truck a little bit and a little bit on the inside. So we're right back. Okay, let's we'll start at the front end here. We got the hood up. This is a little bit of a repeat from the first video, but we'll just kind of show you what's going on. Basically, we haven't really done a whole lot to the motor. We did do a hand dip. This is spray paint and what they call aqua dip. In other words, what you do is you just put spray paint on the top of the water in a big bucket and you dip this through it after you mix it all up, and that's what makes those different colors and stuff. It's pretty cool. It was easy to do. But the major things we've done to the motors are the bypass oil filter. This is an AMSOIL bypass, 1 micron bypass filter. So 10% of the oil is filtered through that filter on every pass for all the oil in the engine. And the only other thing we've really done is the cold air intake. But the major thing we've done, which really helps us with towing and everything, is people call it a chip, but it's not really. What we've done, that little switch right there lets us turn the horsepower and the torque up and down. It's an EFI live programming. They program it for your truck and you load it in, and they have that for all years, so you can get that and helps you get a little more horsepower, about 125 more horsepower, and about the same amount of torque. So this thing's a beast. It'll really pull. Along with that, in the cockpit, of course, we got it wired for video. We've got two 4K video cameras, one to the inside so you can see us talking. Boy, that's a treat, I'll bet. And then a 4K camera facing down the road, along with a regular camera for, the driving cameras, the dash cam. That records anything that happens. This monitor here, down here, is when we have the trailer hooked up. There's a backup camera that we keep on all the time on the trailer. So we can see anybody coming up on us fast, or we can see if we're past them, so we go ahead and we know we can pull over in that lane. And of course, along with the EFI Live, I got a set of gauges here, and that's what we're looking at here, which is the edge. And you can put all kinds of different gauges and everything on it, so keep an eye on the engine, like your EGT, your coolant, and transmission and everything. So that's basically how the inside's set up. We do have one other camera. I don't know if you can see it over there. That's on the side window, and that's another dash cam, and it faces kind of back and to the right there, so when people are coming on the interstate and they want to run you over, it kind of catches them on the camera. So basically that's the truck in a nutshell. And like I say, you need to go to that other video to see all the modifications we've done. We do have the stickers. We got those put on the window. That came out pretty good. It helps it even keep the truck cool in the back. So, but we've got a Viair compressor in the back. That thing, I've got a 5-gallon tank along with it, so we can blow up anybody's tires. We can check our tires on the trailer or the truck. We use it to put air in our trail air hitch, and it adjusts it up and down. Makes for a much smoother ride in the trailer. We really love it. It was worth every penny we spent. But that's basically a truck. Now, I did do a D-badge, so you can't really tell what truck it is or anything. I don't know. I just like a nice smooth truck. I don't like all that stuff hanging out in the air, that you're advertising for somebody else. Even though I do love a truck. I do love the Dodge Rams. Don't think I'd have anything else. And of course this is Mr. Bob, and he pulls Miss Madeline. So that's kind of that much on the truck. If you have any more questions, feel free to go ahead and comment on the video and ask away. We'll try to answer any and all questions about the truck. It's been a good truck. Never had any problems with it. We had a whole lot less problems with the truck than we ever had with the trailer. So this ought to end the in shop. It's just kind of a short one. Again, if you want to go look up here, wherever I put it, it'll point you to the video where we went through all the mods and everything. So thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. So down the road we go. We'll catch you in the next video.